All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man, Jay. So I got some cases in here from TUDIA. These are for my V40. Once I get the V40 in, you guys will see videos on that. This is for the Pixel, and this is the Pixel 3 XL. Now, obviously, I have the smaller Pixel now. And I'm not really sold on the big Pixel, but here it is. I'm going to put both of these out for you. I'm going to actually try on the one for the smaller Pixel. They're going to be the same for your device. This is the Merge series case. For both. You can see the difference, folks. Remember when I was telling you how big the Pixel 3 XL is? This is what is this is your size difference right here. I don't know how well you know, it comes across on camera, but this is a much bigger footprint, which is why I really like the small version. Not taking anything against the big one, but these are going to be exactly the same for each one of your phones. So just know that it's all the same. The buttons and everything, the layout is everything is going to be the same. We all know the Merge series. Let's pop it on. Where's my rag so I can clean my device? Let's put it on. The Merge goes on really easy. Man, this looks really good, man. It looks really good. I'm really feeling this. Yeah, this is looking good, man. You get a little bit of lip protection up here. So if you have a tempered glass for it, you're good to go. Yeah. Buttons seem tactile, very nice in here. Yeah, everything is everything, man. The case is the Merge case. And again, you get like this sloping design for the fingerprint reader right there. So it lets you get in and out. It's very subtle, but it is there. Can you see that? It's a real subtle where your finger just rests up in there. And there's obviously no problem with getting to the fingerprint reader. Very, very nice. The Merge is not, some cases, it's kind of strange that some cases are really good on certain phones. You know what I mean? Like some cases are just really good on the phone. Here's the case that I was using. I bought for $6. It's pretty much the same kind of sturdiness. It's just a little bit more black. I like how black this one is. You can see the difference in the tone. This is more of a gray color right here, which is really nice. But yeah, this is the TUDIA Merge, and you get a little bit of branding right there. And this is a hot look, man. I really like this. I'm really feeling this. I'm going to go ahead and push this one up for a while. I've been wearing the other one that I showed you for a little bit, but this is a size difference, folks, from the Pixel 3 to the Pixel 3 XL. It's a pretty big phone for me. So I'm glad that I have the smaller version. This has been working very well for me. I really like that this case right here gives some lip protection. It also has a little bit more grip than some of the other. It feels like it's got more grip than the other TUDIA Merge cases that I've gotten. But sometimes the same case for a different phone feels fantastic and even looks better. It's so strange, but this is really, really nice, man. I can really appreciate this. And shout out to TUDIA for sending all this over for review. If in fact I do grab the Pixel 3 XL, which I don't know that I will, this is what you're working with, and this is what I will have to work with. Again, big phones aren't bad. I like big phones, but for some reason, the Pixel 3 just feels really, really good, man. I really like the size of this phone right here. Been rocking with it. It's just been really, really good. So there you have it, man. Remember, I'll give you updated videos on the Pixel. I'll give you updated videos on the LG V40 once I get mine in house. So just look for that whenever I post. But here it is right here, man. This is the Pixel 3 and the Pixel 3 XL TUDIA Merge cases. The big boy and the little brother. And that's just what it is, man. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.